Hi everybody. So I made this log bed about 12 years ago. That's one of the few that I built, and it's made of alder, and the reason why I take it apart is because I'm moving in 2 weeks, so I need to get on it just to take that off the list. But basically this video I'm going to show you how I break it apart. I built this, like I said, 12 years ago, and as far as I'm concerned, this is my own design. I've never seen another log bed built like this one. If you guys seen some, like, let me know in the comments. But the reason why I say that is usually you have an upper rail, and you also have a bottom rail to accommodate for a box spring and then the mattress. I didn't want that. Plus, I didn't want to have a big log running the whole length at the top, which you have to go over to get out of the bed. So I removed that by putting a ready rod right here. So I've got a plug here, and there's a ready rod that goes all the way through the whole length here. That's stitched those three pieces together, and then here I've got 1/2-inch lag bolts that hold the whole assembly together. So I'll take that apart, and you guys can stick around. I do not have any videos because, like I said, 12 years ago, it's not something I was thinking I might need for YouTube or whatever. But I'll put, at the end of this video, I'll put some still pictures of the build if you want to stick around. So thanks again. I'll see you next time.